ことにかは。
Na? Arya ko. May pasok ka pa na. Bangon ka na dyan. Nag-asikaso na ako rito. May almusal ka na ha? Na? Kain ka na. Uy, kumain ka marami. Uy, ba't ganito yung kamay mo? Ba't pula to?
Kasi na nakatulugan ko yung project ko gabi. Hindi mo basa yung kamay ko.
Kawawa naman itong anak ko na to. Sige, kumain ka na marami.
Sa'yo, Ma! Ma, gumising ka! Sino gumawa sa'yo nito? Mama! Kaya, lalaki na naman. Sabi ko lang naman ako sa mas. Gusto mo sa akin na kung yung pagkain sa lahat. Nakasakit ko sa tingin. Hindi na. Ikaw wala yung speaker natin ko ron. Oo nga. Gusto ko ikaw na lang po. Puro naman ako sa plato sa akin. Parang tingin ka. Sino kaya yung favorite na Arya? Alam mo kung paano kasi kami.
Eh, wala na nga siya, di ba? He's dead! Why are you picking her up?
Miss, yung cellphone mo baka magulo. Promise lang bukas mo na lang yan.
Are you still ignoring me? Do you really not want to know who killed your mother?
Hindi ba nila maniniwala ako dito?
You should believe me. Do you want proof? You can't move forward without knowing the truth. Can you really live with that? So, do you want to know? I'll wait until tonight. I'm very impatient. If you ignore this, go ahead and try moving on. If you really can. Now, do you believe me? Do you want to know? I told you. Just type yes if you're ready to follow my instructions. Oops. Invalid response. Just say yes. Good. Shall I send the instructions now? Arya, your goal is simple. To change the past and uncover the truth about your mother's murder. You must use your dagger that I gave you in the last 2 months and complete the task I assigned to you. The fate of your past lies in your hands. Yes, and each life taken with that dagger grants you the power to turn back time. 1 kill equals 2 weeks in the past. 4 kills will take you back 2 full months, to the day of your mother's death. Each must die with the dagger plunged into their... We'll see. Hulaan mo kung sino una mong papatayin. Sino kaya? Sino kaya ang mahalagang tao ang malapit sa iyo ngayon? Paano yan? Si Kion nga. You can't decide who you will kill. It's on me. My words you follow. If you hesitate, the deal is off. She's the first piece of the puzzle.
Anong ginagawa niyo? May babasa ba? Kaya seryoso mo na naman dyan. Kanina kaya tayo sa labas, halika na. Gabi dyan sa dinner talaga. Kanina, kaya na tayo sa labas. Yes, saglit na tayo. Ano na? Uy, ano na? Baka na yun ang iniisip mo. Ano bang iniisip mo dyan? Wala.
Kaya ako mananabit ka. Parang pinagbagsakan na lang ito noong kayo. Anyway, favorite ko ito ba? Ito pa sa akin habang nagkikita ko lang ako.
Ang init sa'yo. Buti na lang may dalang pamalit na damit. Anyway, okay lang ba yung dinner? Okay lang ba yung treat ko sa'yo?
Oo naman.
So, hindi na sayang yung libre ko sa'yo?
Salamat ah.
Hayaan mo. Araw-araw tayong gagala para naman umokay-okay ka na. Buti nga umokay-okay na yung mood mo eh. So, paano ba yan? Dito na ako. Bukas ulit ha?
Bye-bye. Thank you pala kanina.
Basta ikaw, malakas ka sa akin eh. Bye. Bye.
Ingat ka
Sige na.
pa, uwi, ah.
Bye. Ingat ka. Tulog ka na ha. Pahinga ka na. Sino yan? Arya? Ikaw ba yan? Oo. Ikaw pala yan, Arya.
Keepin mo dun. Teka. Alin may hawak mo, ano? Kaya ba't may hawak mo? Arya ka.
Well done. 2 weeks have been erased. Your next target will come soon. Prepare yourself.
Ko si Kiyo.
Are you a movie? Because someone's watching you. James is watching you right now.
Him? Seriously? What does he have to do with this?
Don't let his heartless act fool you. He's not as innocent as he seems.
Arya? Arya, pwede ba kitang makausap?
Ano na naman?
Alam ko, parang ang labo nang natin mag-usap. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na lagi ako nandito para sa'yo. Lagi nga kitang sinusundan. I mean, di naman sa sinusundan, pero nung burol ni tita, nandun din ako.
Sinusundan mo ako?
Di naman sa ganun. Nag-aalala lang ako sa'yo.
Hindi ko kailangan ng tagabantay.
Basta yung may dyan, ay ganito.
Arya! Arya, sandali lang. Arya, sandali lang. Alam ko marami kang pinagdadaanan ngayon. Pero gusto ko lang iparamdam sa iyo.
Tulad ng ano? Stalking me? Tingin na magugustuhan kita? I don't need you, James. I'm not interested. Tigilan mo na ako.
Arya.
He's obsessed with you. Do you really think he'll stop?
He's a harmless creep.
Harness? Check your window.
What the?
Still think he's harmless?
Tanga-tanga ko. Bakit sinabi yun? Siguro nainis din siya sa akin. Hello? May tao ba dyan? Arya? Arya, ikaw ba yan? Arya? Ginagawa mo dito? 10 oras na ng gabi. Alam ko kanina medyo off ako eh. Sorry na, okay? I just really care about you.
Stop. I said stop talking.
Arya, may problema ka ba?
Problema? Ikaw ang problema. Stop calling me, right?
Arya!
Don't stop. Kasi I'll make sure kung mawala ka na sa akin.
Arya! Oh!
Hindi ka nawawala sa mundo. Wala kang mama.
Ang dilim. Kakatapos lang ng Pasko na wala man ng Christmas lights.
Saan ko dumaan? Oh my God, si Arya ba yan? Anong ginagawa niya dito? Saan ko pwede ako sumabay sa kanya? Arya! Huy! Saan ka papunta? Sabay na ako sa'yo! Ano yung hawak mo? Letter ba yan? Arya, please, bitawan mo yan. Please, kung joke to. Hindi magandang biro to. Joke? Sino sabi sa'yo nag-joke ako? Tulong! Tulong!
Ayoko nang natatalo ako.
Wala na siya.
Hindi ako nagpapatalo. Sabi nila lahat ng tao may tinatago. Ikaw, ano tinatago mo? Ay, alam ko lang. Yourself. You hid yourself from me, diba? Akala mo tapos na? Ha? Hindi pa. Ako ang tatapos. Sabi ko naman sa'yo eh. Ayoko na natatalo ako. Tago-taguan tayo hanggang next life.
You've done well. 2 weeks was given back to you. You're quick, huh? But there's one last person left. Your final target is close. Don't waste time.
Ano ba to? Pakiramdam ko. Parang may nakasunod sa akin eh. Pero wala naman. JR. Imagination mo lang to, okay? Focus tayo sa paglalakad. Focus tayo sa paglalakad, JR, okay? Creepy naman. Pakiramdam ko. Parang may nakasunod sa akin. Ito, JR. Masyado lang. JR. Imagination ko lang to. Mabuti pa matulog na lang ako. Sino ka? No! Arya, bakit mo ito ginagawa?
Nasaan ako? Bahay namin to ah. Hindi ito totoo. Nay, hindi ito totoo. Nay, sino gumawa sa'yo nito? Nay! Ting!
It was always you.
No! Hindi ko ito magagawa sa'yo, Nay! Hindi ko ito ginawa. Nay! Hindi ko ito magagawa sa'yo, Nay. Hindi. No. No.
my best friend. My only friend. She still died too. A flower pot fell from the rooftop and hit her head. I remember watching her that day. James still died the same way I killed him. He was stabbed in the dark alley. But it wasn't me holding the knife this time. It was someone else. The universe is a way of making sure everything happens just as it should. On December 27, Shana still died. On the same day, he ended her life. But this time, she was hit by a truck. Vincent still died the same way I killed him. December 13, JR died. But this time, I wasn't the one who killed him. His bullies did. They cornered him after school and stabbed him. Just like I did before. Nothing changed. The sender of the cryptic message was right. I killed them. But once I went back, I couldn't change what was already written. No matter how much I tried to stop it, as time moved forward, they still died. The same day, the same way. Their deaths are inevitable. And now I wonder, was it really me? Did I kill them? Or was it always meant to happen this way? Did I kill my mother? Or was I just a pawn in something bigger? I don't know anymore. And I think I don't want to know. Because every time I close my eyes, I am still there in the dark room holding that knife. And maybe, just maybe, I never left.